Hello, you. I'm glad you're here with me today. I'm Marla with Marla's Treasures. I'm taking you around this bag of jewelry before I open it. It looks like there's some very interesting pieces, even designer pieces. In this video, I'm going to start the unboxing of this 8.5-pound Goodwill jewelry grab bag. Fingers crossed we get some goodies. Oh, and before you and I both forget, I put these kind of videos out once or twice a week, so hit the subscribe button so that you never miss one of these treasure hunts. Okay, so let's spread this out just a little bit and see what we get. Nice little stretch bracelet. Another stretch bracelet. That's pretty, with all the little jewels on it. And another one. I seem to get quite a bit of these stretch bracelets. Look at this. You could put them all together. There's all different shaped beads. Pretty. How many do we have? 3, 4. Looks like there's another one. 5. See, you cluster those up, wear them all at the same time. Neat. Not sure what this is, at least at this point. Little mother of pearl, looks like. Just an earring. That's a pretty earring. It's kind of heavy too. Nice cuff bracelet. I like the two-tone. Ooh, isn't that neat? Fleur-de-lis. It's like a pocket watch inspired. Yeah, cool. Oh, now we have our match to our heavy earrings. Chico's. I get a lot of Chicos as well. Multi-strand. Some of those are little glass beads, metal beads, chains. I think that was about 4 or 5 strands. Another cute little stretch bracelet. I thought this was a belt at first. It is not. It's a necklace. It doesn't open anywhere. It's nice. Oh, it's a little vintage molded plastic. Look at the yellow. Springtime. Nice little mother of pearl discs. Premier Designs. Nice. I like when we get a designer. Big hoop earrings. That's pretty impressive, isn't it? That metal. This is neat. It's like enamel over a leaf shaped. Cute little ring. Again, very springtime. And because it stretches, you can put it on any finger. Neat. And there's an earring. A little gold tone earring. Ooh, that's kind of neat. Very modern. Another stretch bracelet. A lot of crafting, making material looks like that. Ooh, that's a very pretty bracelet. Look at that stretch bracelet. This is a vintage bracelet, and you can even tell that some of its glue is yellowed, but it has a very weird clasp. I think somebody had to repair that. Look at these irregular shells. The blues. That's green. Nice. More of that. This reminds me of that, what is it, the Heart of the Ocean from Titanic. I think that's what it's called. Nice chain, silver chain, not marked. This is neat. I like it. Little faux pearls. It also has a magnetic clasp, which I don't know why you would need that. You just put it over your head. It's pretty big. This one I need your help with. I'm not sure what this designer is. If you've seen something like this before, please let me know. Kind of looks like it said Allen Isabella. It says something Isabella, made in the USA. And I just don't know what it is. This is interesting too. because this is going to open up, and see how you can see through there? So it's got like two, I guess that's plexiglass, the top and the bottom. I don't think that's real glass, but so this comes out, and then you can replace that. You're going to see that a little later on. And that's a neat rope chain. This one, I don't know why it says fearfully and wonderfully made. I thought that was going to say carefully, but it's Fearfully. I don't know why. Nice. And then I didn't notice at first that it has these little charms on them. See the feather charm, and then the other one that has a little amber looking stone. It's pretty neat. Hey, we got another one of these. How many did I say before? 6 maybe? Now we have 7. Abalone shell. This is a pretty bracelet. This is something I like to wear. I tend to wear gold tone. Very pretty. I like those colors too. Browns, tans, golds. Nice. This I thought at first was going to be stone, and it's little ceramic ones. This I was unsure about. I'm sure if I look this up I could figure out what it is, but it has 2 ends, but no, they don't come together into a necklace. It's almost like you just hang it over your neck. So you see at the end here, it has a clasp, and you could hook it. It's not hooked right now, but you could hook it, but then still the other 2 ends are just open. Nice little earring. I get want to have the second earring right away. Sometimes we find them and sometimes we don't. That's what the treasure hunt's about. Hey, we found the other earring. Nice. Now this, I believe this is a belt. Even though it does come open, it's just way too heavy to be a necklace. Little stretch bracelet again. That one's a little too stretched out already. And this one, I mean, you think, oh my gosh, did we just find a tennis bracelet? Are those diamonds? No, they're not diamonds. Bummer. But it's still beautiful. And it's even got 2 safety clasps. And it didn't have any marks on it. I looked and looked and looked, and it didn't have anything on it. Another little stretch bracelet. Cute. This is a neat one. It's a Cookie Lee. It's like 3 strands, I believe, and all different colors and shapes, and neat. These are stone. Each one of those is a little stone. And this is a rose quartz. It's an amulet necklace, and I looked it up. It means love and luck. Cute little bracelet. Like faux pearls. They're almost Baroque pearls. I'm not sure what's inside there. I want to say cork of some kind or something, but I couldn't tell what that was. These are also little ceramic green ones. And the faux pearl spacers with a little cross. This is very heavy. Very heavy. Very modern, industrial. Has a little toggle closure. Pretty bracelet. Look at this. A loop after loop. It's very long, very heavy, like I said. And then it has a rollover clasp. Again, you can just slip that right over your head. Interesting earring. Seems like I recognize that eyeball from something. Cute charm. Oh, that almost looks like cloisonne, and then the little bird. Nice earring. Gold tone. Stretch bracelet. See what I mean about the stretch bracelets? They fill these bags. This I am in love with. It's nice and heavy. It has an N. Do you know what that maker's mark is? I'm not sure. I looked up N. You know, of course, it's just like random. It doesn't come up with just that. But look at all these. The little fleur-de-lis and the shields, crosses. It's impressive. It's pretty neat. Jingle, jingle. Gotta give you the jingle. Another stretch bracelet. Just piling them over in that corner over there. This is a stone amulet. There's also some stone pieces in there. And this one has a magnetic closure as well. Interesting. Very long necklaces in this one. I like that they're double-sided on the charms. Little earring, little ball earring. More of this crafting material. Isn't this beautiful? Different size shaped crosses. The black beads are actually a glass. Oh, look, we have two of these. Wow. Too bad those weren't real, huh? This is just very sweet, very darling, dainty. It had this little tag on it, but it didn't have any markings, unfortunately. Could easily be like an Avon or something. Turquoise beads, really long necklace again. And this is a Chico's. Neat. We have a lot of these. A lot of these long necklaces. That's interesting. All these little single earrings. That one even looks like when you first get your ears pierced, it's like your starter earring. This one, see how it has a little extension to it? It's it has Nero. I'm sorry, N-R-O, not Nero. N-R-O. Serafina with an E. I always have the little triangle logo. This is pretty. Enamel. And that's a ring. I think my ring size there is about a 5. It's maybe a 5. And this poor little guy. Look. He just broke apart on me. I'll have to fix it. Or repurpose it. But with them being curved, it really lends itself to be a bracelet. But that's okay. We can fix it. They're nice and heavy too. Now you're going to see a light bulb goes off. Oh yeah. This goes inside this, so you can replace the inside. Have different looks to it. That's like a mother of pearl look. And then you could put this one. It's like rhinestone encrusted. Neat. And again, I love that chain. Anyway, you have all 3 of them. This is very pretty. I like the darkened color to it. The darkened metal. And this one says VCLM. And a pretty cross. It's got AB rhinestones on it. this. Oh my goodness sakes. How pretty. Those are all glass beads except for the cluster balls. Isn't that pretty? Don't you love it? Spectacular. This is a neat little bracelet. See, it's got little stones and then the faux baroque pearls and then the little flowers. Where do you get little flower charms? Beads. Pretty. Another stretch bracelet and a pair of beautiful earrings. Very nice. Another set of earrings. Well, okay. So glad you stayed till the end. This is part 1 of maybe 3 or 4 videos that I'm going to make out of this huge grab bag. And as I mentioned earlier, I post jewelry unboxing videos once or twice a week. So please hit the subscribe button so that you never miss one of these treasure hunts. Oh, and a big shout out to all of my current subscribers. Thank you very much. And as always, like, comment, and share. Hope you come back soon. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye, you.